Well, this video is going to be a random video, but I just want to shoot this video, and that is why I am recording myself into the camera. And today my topic is going to be how to speak English fast. So let's dive into our main point or main video without squandering our single second of time. So the first thing is what you can do. English is not a subject, so don't teach English or don't treat English like a school subject. It's not a kind of science experiment which you have to do in your school. For example, there is a baby. Will that baby learn grammar first? No. Baby will listen, then copy that, then repeat that thing or repeat that word. For example, our mother used to speak in front of us, so firstly we used to listen that in our childhood, and we used to try to copy that, and we used to try to speak that, and this is what you have to do. Now the next thing what you can do, believe in yourself. Whether you are making mistakes or not, try to speak, try to make sentences, try to give structure to sentences. For example, try to use not only but also. It means कि मैं बाजार भी जा रही हूँ, और मैं बाजार ही नहीं बल्कि मैं जूस भी बेकर आऊँगी. So what I can say, I will not only go to market but also have juice over there. Okay, मैं सिर्फ वहाँ पर मार्केट में जाऊँगी नहीं, मैं वहाँ पर जूस भी पीऊँगी. Okay, try to speak whatever you have in your mind. Try to make sentences by the words which you have in your mind. For example, right now I'm using the mic for the very first time. So what I can say that I'm using this mic for the very first time. It's my first experience to use this mic, and after recording myself, I will also listen to myself. And this is what you have to do. Whenever you are trying to speak in English, try to record yourself, try to record your video, and try to listen to yourself as well. This is called input output. Okay, for example, firstly, try to listen to English, try to listen. Sorry for the background noise. Try to listen any video in English, okay, or try to write something in English, and try to read that again and again, then try to speak that thing in English, okay. And then the main thing is, or the next thing is, try to record yourself, and the eventual step should be try to listen to yourself and try to grab your mistake. This is going to help you a lot. In this video, I just want to say one thing, that just always believe in yourself, and whenever you get a success, or whenever you made a good sentence in English, give a pat on your back. Okay, give a pat on your back like this. Give a pat on your back, and just always celebrate your successes, no matter they are small or big. Try to celebrate and try to learn by happiness. Try to give happiness to yourself and try to be happy and try to learn as much as you can. Thanks for today. It's going to be a random video. I again saying like this because it's just a random video, and I just want to shoot this, and that's why I am recording myself in the camera. And thanks for today. Bye bye.